Hey, I'm here with Tim in Thompson Station this morning. He's one of my great customers, and this past week we put in a trail system across his farm. And Tim, how did you find out about us?
Yeah, we hired Jacob Etchison from CNC Contracting to put in
Propane
propane
tank?
tank, and I was asking him if he had any contacts for forestry mulching because we were wanting to put some trails in, and that's how I got your information.
Cool. Appreciate that, Jacob. And from the beginning, when you first reached out to me, how was the communication from the beginning throughout the entire
Yeah, the
process?
communication was excellent. Your response time was very quick, and the quote that you gave us, you actually did above and beyond what you had quoted, so
Cool.
it was excellent.
Awesome. I appreciate that. And I guess the main thing is, would you refer us to friends and family going forward?
Most definitely, if you're needing any forestry mulching, land clearing, any of that stuff, I would highly recommend your services.
Awesome.
Appreciate it.
I appreciate
Yeah,
that. Thank you.
you're welcome. Yeah.
Again, y'all give me a shout for any of your forestry mulching or land clearing needs.